How to block someone on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Want to get rid of someone bombarding you with calls or messages on WhatsApp by blocking them? Then you are in the right place. Without further ado, let's learn how to block that annoying person on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Select the conversation with the user you wish to block. Alternatively, you can even tap on the search icon at the top to find the user. Once in the conversation, tap on the three vertical dots. A menu will appear. Select More. Here, you will see the option to block. Tap on it. Keep in mind that once you block someone, they won't be able to call or send you messages. WhatsApp won't notify the user that they have been blocked by you. If you suspect the user is a spammer or excessively vulnerable, you can report the contact by ticking the box available. The last 5 messages sent by the user will be forwarded to WhatsApp for review. Let's finally block the user. For that, simply tap on block and boom, you have successfully blocked the user on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.